What's going on? Welcome to Kanien'keha lesson 25. So today we're going to be continuing on from last week where we learned about noun incorporation. Today's lesson will focus on consonant stem noun incorporation when you're counting objects. So for today's lesson we're going to be focusing on two consonant nouns. Gazere, and it has an old word which has a nominalizer attached to the end. Gazereta, which means car, and then otnerokwa, which is a box. So to say that there's one, you would click on ska and then put your noun there, and your ending would be a. To say that there's two of them, it would be dega, noun, and then age or age. So three or more, niga, noun, age, age. So our first consonant noun that we're gonna incorporate for enumeration is gazere, and the old word is gazereta, and we have to use the nominalizer once again like in our previous lessons. So to say one car, nasiru skazereta, two cars, de gazeretage, and then three or more cars, so asa ni gazeretage. And then the last word we're going to be looking at is otnerokwa, which means box. So to say one box, asiru skatnerokwa, two boxes, de gatnerokwage, three boxes, asa ni gatnerokwage. Nyawadi was a wadarorige Kanien'keha Wats dan zadawadatka. Onigiwahi. Within this lesson, we use some of the resources from Kanien'keha and for that we would like to thank them and acknowledge them.